Micro USB, a miniaturized version of the universal serial bus interface developed for connecting compact and mobile devices such as smartphones, MP3 players, global positioning system devices, printers, and digital cameras. Mini USB, the small USB socket found on digital cameras, external hard drives, USB hubs, and other equipment. Mini USB is much smaller than USB Type B and Type A, but twice as thick as micro USB. USB-C is a 24-pin USB connector system with a rotational symmetrical connector. It is reversible. The designation C refers only for the connector's physical configuration or form factors and should not be confused with the connector's specific capabilities, which are designed for transfer specifications. Lightning cables are proprietary 8-pin charging cables that are compatible with iPhones and other Apple devices. Used to charge and sync devices, they were introduced in 2012 to replace the 30-pin charging cable Apple was using at that time. Tethering is the practice of using a mobile device, such as a smartphone, and a modem to connect another device, such as a laptop or another mobile phone, to the internet. To do so, the phone must be enabled. Tethering is one method of creating mobile hotspot as well. Proprietary vendor is defined as there being only one supplier of a certain good or product. The vendor/supplier is the only source for this specific input, being either the only provider within a reasonable geographic region or a company that has created itself a monopoly. Communication port, referred to as the COM port. The communication port is serial communication used to connect devices such as a modem. Usually communication ports are designed as COMP1, COMP2, COMP3, and COMP4 on computers running Microsoft Windows. The power port is a port on a computer or another electronic device that allows it to get power from a wall outlet and charge the device battery if capable. Devices like desktop computers, which don't have batteries, cannot run on without a power cord connected to the power port. Near field communication, also known as NFC, allows data to be exchanged between devices via short-range, high-frequency wireless communication technology by combining the interface of a smart card and a reader into a single device. Bluetooth is a short-range wireless technology standard that is used for exchanging data between fixed and mobile devices over short distance using UHF radio waves in the ISM bands from 2.4 to 2.48 GHz and building personal area network, also known as PAN. Infrared, sometimes known as IR, is electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths longer than those of visible lights. It is therefore invisible to human eye. IR is generally understood to encompass wavelengths from around 1 mm to the nominal red edge of the visible spectrum, around 700 nanometers. Hotspot. A hotspot is a physical location where people can access the internet, typically using Wi-Fi, via a wireless local area network WLAN with a router connected to an internet service provider. Headsets. Headsets connect over a telephone or to a computer, allowing the user to speak and listen while keeping both hands free. They are commonly used in customer service and technical support centers, where employees can converse with customers while typing information into a computer. Speaker, an output device, is an electromagnetic transducer. That is a device that converts an electrical audio signal into corresponding sound. Gamepad or gaming controller, or simply controller, is an input device used with video games or entertainment systems to provide input to a video game, typically to control an object or character in the game. A battery pack is a set of any numbers of peripheral identical batteries or individual battery cells. They may be configured in a series, parallel, or mixture of both to deliver the desired voltage, capacity, or power density. A battery charger or recharger is a device that stores energy in a battery by running an electric current through it. The charging protocol, how much voltage or current for how long, and what to do when charging is complete depends on the size and type of battery being charged. Remember, the most common battery is lithium. So what is the use of protective covers? A covering that is intended to protect from damage or injury. So anytime you use any mobile devices, it's always good to have a protective cover to protect your phone. Credit card readers are devices that accept and process payments along with point-of-sale POS software. Credit card readers can be countertop terminals, mobile devices, or readers that plug into smartphones and tablets. MicroSD cards are commonly used to expand the storage system of smartphones, drones, gaming devices, and cameras. Hardware devices are also backward compatibility with microSD cards, just like the full-sized SD cards. The same rule applies for microSD cards as they do for the SD cards.